Welcome to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. In this tutorial, we will be solving some of the SQL hands-on that were asked during the Cognizant internship. The title of the hands-on is car details based on car type and car name. So here we have to write a query in order to display car ID, car name and car type of Maruti company and sedan type of cars. So we need only Maruti company's car and whose car type is sedan only. Now after that we need to sort the result based on car ID. And one hint is given that we need to use cars table in order to retrieve the records, and the car name is Maruti Swift. It is just an example and car type is sedan only. So in the previous video we have already created tables, that is cars table, and we have also inserted few records. So this was the table that I am talking about. See, cars table, and we have the following data that we will insert in this table only. So let's see what we have currently in our table. So I will use select star from table name. So the name of table is car. Let us understand the problem statement first. So we need to show all the cars which belongs to Maruti company only. Now we have Maruti Swift, Maruti Baleno and Maruti Thar. So if you see, one common term is there, that is Maruti. If I will use where car name equals to Maruti Swift, then it will give me only one result. If I will use car name equals to Maruti Baleno, then it will give me only one result. But I need all the cars which belongs to Maruti company only. So in such case, where pattern is repeating, we need one keyword, that is like keyword. Now what like keyword will do? Like keyword will check whether the car name we have Maruti or not. So Maruti Swift, Maruti Baleno and Maruti Thar, we have common, that is Maruti. So it will give me all the records, that is Maruti Swift, Maruti Baleno and Maruti Thar, all of them. So that's the use of like keyword. So whenever certain pattern is getting repeated in all the data, then we have to use like keyword. I hope why we are using like keyword is very clear to you now. Why we are using like keyword? Because we need one common pattern, that is Maruti, in all the records. So we have Maruti Swift, Maruti Baleno and Maruti Thar. So I will use one keyword, that is where car name like and the name of the pattern, so that is Maruti, and I have to close it with percentage. So it is the syntax that we should need to follow. After the pattern ends, we need to put one percentage symbol. So this query will give me all the records whose car name belongs to Maruti category. So we have Maruti Swift, Baleno, Dzire, Ciaz and many more things. After this, what we have to do, we have to mention one more condition, that is car type. So car type equals to sedan only. So I will use and over here and specify the column name, that is car type, which is equals to sedan. Perfect. This query is perfect now. Now, despite of using star over here, I will specify the exact columns that we need according to the question. So we have car ID, car name and car type. Now what we have to do extra now over here is we need to sort the result based on car ID. So I will use order by. Whenever we need sorting, we have to use the keyword, that is order by. So I will use order by, specify the column name, that is car ID. This is our final query, which will give us the exact expected result. I hope you liked my video. If yes, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments section. I am happy to answer all your queries. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.